Hello, hello. Hey Dan. Hey Graham. Hey Alison. Hey Mimi. Now let's. One moment. I will show. Hey Ian. Wait. Hello, hello. Look. Today on our bank robbery channel, we have a Arctic bank robbery. Look, Stefan is not very well masked yet. Yeah, you have to do. They will recognize you like that.
This.
Yeah.
People recognize us from our voices.
That's probably true, though.
Especially when you say, "This is HaliPuu robbing your bank."
Oh, I have to rethink
your scheme.
My scheme. Wait a second. Yes. Har. We're going snowscootering today. We have this one is not ours. This is a too fancy machine to be ours. It belongs to the Tundra Huskies.
Oh, that's less fancy machine over there.
That one is now Stefan's new old one.
But this actually, it's a nice one.
It is beautiful. Do you, by the way, hear me when I'm all muffled because of this bank robber's outfit? So I hope you can. Hey to UK. Stefan was trying to come up with a good name for that thing.
Yes.
So if you have any good ideas for a name, okay, very good.
This is going to be the machine to pull my coffee sled.
Yeah.
From now on.
That's Stefan's future reliable workhorse. Hey,
That's already reliable workhorse.
Yes, yeah. But we have to see that in the coming decade.
Yeah.
Hello, Marquesa Womble. Welcome to Lapland. Hey, thank you, Universal Truth. Hei, katsopa minne me ollaan lähdössä. Huh? Jaha, Urho wants to show his castle. Wait, I have to, because people can't hear. So you have to... Urho wants to show a magic trick.
A disappearing.
Did you see what happened? Whoops. So much snow. Let's see. Now we don't have a sun anymore. Ta-da! Show them again. Here we go. And we have a sun disappearing. And what is going to happen? Do we have a sun reappearing? Or is he lost forever? Let's see. Ta-da! And here he is. Very well done. May we take a look, though, up there? It is even more, you know, today they are promising still more snow. So it's just going to get crazier and crazier. So the storm that's in the UK at the moment, yeah, it's coming here, but it's going to come down as snow. Look. That's where Urho disappeared. There is a kind of a cave. That's where he came out from. Yeah, that's what I understood. I hope that everybody's okay because it's quite a heavy weather there. Urho, you have done good work.
Thank you.
So that's Urho's shovel. Poor Venla at the moment. She's getting too warm pushing the snow. And Stefan is cleaning. So this is, I'm really just, it looks as if I was on some mountain, but I'm just really on top of the pile of snow. I would love to send you some. We have far too much here. This is ridiculous. So, I mean, I've been swearing it like every single, oh look, there's been our bunny has been here on the yard. Yes. Shouldn't you take a thinner jacket, Venla? Oh, she's just listening to her music. She can't. Sillä on luurit korvilla. Well, he has done that. Now we have to, like, it is of course because that's his job, so he can't just come around to our house every day. So, is it okay? Well, that's at least good. Was it a hard storm? From what I understood, there were even people dying over there. So that is not good. But yeah, so we're only just going to get more and more snow. Are you ready with the snow scooter?
I'm ready.
Okay. I'll come down. Let's see. Holding a phone. It's going to be a bit difficult though to scope and sit at the back of the snow scooter at the same time. So we'll see what happens, but hopefully.
We do have a hand warmer in the back here.
Oh, okay, right. Is it a working one?
Should be, yes.
Okay. Well, we'll see. How do I get my helmet on?
I will help you.
Very good. Can't do it with one hand. This is somewhat difficult though. This
What?
this thing that's covering my nose now.
Do you want a different balaclava? We have a lot of them, so.
Let's take one along because
Okay.
now this one we have borrowed, or somebody was Tommy from Tundra Huskies was kind enough to borrow it for us because the previous one just didn't want to do it anymore, but now Stefan has a new old one, so that's a great working horse for him. Because what we need is really like a heavy duty one, not one of the fancy machines that, well, I mean, this is a good working machine as well, but it's not for, like, some people want their snow scooters, to be the ones that you can really drive as fast as you can, but we're not that kind of, that's not our thing. Ei mitään. Well, this is the first time. Now you see two. You see, an old one. That one is from year 2000, and then this one is a newer model. Okay, let's. Oh, wait. I'll do this. Let's see. Ow.
Sorry.
Here we go. Hello. How fast? Hey, smartphone. How fast does the machine go?
This one?
Yeah.
I didn't dare to try it to the max yet, but this is a very powerful machine. This is 900 cc's.
Yeah.
Since it's not ours, I'm not going to test the speed limit of it.
No.
But it's
Hello.
I did already drive 80 with it, so.
Okay. 80 kilometers per hour, not miles per hour.
Yeah, kilometers. Yeah. So I guess it can make miles as well, like that easily.
Yeah.
But it's not meant for that. It's a work machine. So.
Yeah, it's a work machine. So
Oh,
here
well,
goes.
Both. It's a so-called.
Victorian Alps. Oh yeah, right. Okay, well, I mean, the snow has been little, even in the south of Finland this year. So.
Yeah, well, that's why there's a lot of people from the south of Finland here now, because there's basically already spring in the south there.
Yeah, it is. The thermic winter never started in Finland, in the south of Finland, so that's quite terrible. Yeah, the owners of this snow scooter actually have huskies, so they have a husky company.
Husky gear, ropes and stuff, and there's actually here in the back.
I'll tell you in a second, smartphone, by the way.
All kinds of
husky gear. But yeah, so we're going on a ride. We'll see where we end up. We'll probably end up in Luvattumaa, so where we have been before. Victoria, Australia. Okay. Well, then at least the Victorian Alps can't be too far. Oh well, you're in Australia, so everything can be too far, but it's like Lapland, but still longer distances. And a little bit more warm. Ever so slightly. Yeah, you have to have an insurance for these machines as well. No, I mean huskies are great and they love their work, so that's the good thing about it. Huh? Yeah, I will. My whoop, gentlemanly husband. What? I haven't been on a snow scooter properly this year yet. Hey Pete, welcome. Now, oh, this is very handy because the seat is a bit higher.
Yeah.
Let's see. You see, it's this easy to start. But Stefan, remember that I can only hold with one hand.
Yeah, we go very slowly.
Yeah. We're going to go, so we're leaving from our yard. Me käydään ajelulla, lähdetään myöhemmin. Heippa!
We zijn nog een half uurtje terug, hè?
Well, we're married. It would be terrible if we didn't get along. Thank you, thank you. Going to the... So this is the walkway. We are allowed to drive a short bit to the track. You've seen me walk here. I hope you can still hear me, but you've seen me walk here in this bit. We're going down to that lake. Okay, very good. Thank you, Smartphone. We're going down to the lake where we've been before. Don't die. I'm happy. I've once before been on a snow scooter on a scope, but then I didn't have earphones, so this is much handier. Now I can talk to you. And today is a better weather anyways. Look. And now we are on ice. This is Lake City. Oh yeah, he does. But of course a bit different. Look. Behind there, that's the school. Hey, it's a sunny Australia. Send you a little bit of winter from the Arctic. People are skiing there. I can't zoom in now because I will really freeze my fingers. Beautiful old houses. I have to hold on tight so that I don't drop my phone though. We're going to come to a bridge soon, huh?
I don't hear you.
No, I'm not talking to you, so that's okay. Yeah. People. So this is a popular place to ski. Although the track really starts from the other side, but you'll see it soon. Have the beach when I was a kid. That's where we went swimming, next to that bridge over there. Under the bridge it's always a little bit, I have to always be a little bit careful because that's a place where the ice melts quite early. Of course it's now not yet a problem, there's proper ice on it, but that's always the... We are still on ice, yeah. Look, that's the bridge. So these are two lakes. Lake Sirkkajärvi. The one, oh, bumpy ride. Glad you noticed that, Stefan. The ice will still be for a couple more months, until April. Well, look, there's somebody's really driving over there. Obviously we're not going that fast, it doesn't make any sense. Look there where you see more people skiing. That's where the actual ski tracks goes. We're going to do that as well. Happy to hear that you like it. We're going to go skiing later on as well, but I mean not today. but I like skiing the best in like late February till early April. That's when it's really sunny. Look, there's the skiing tracks. Yeah, just chilling with my man. Yeah, no, I mean there's really a lot of snow and a lot of stopping. Let's see.
I'm wearing the wrong color goggles for today for this weather.
Oh.
I have to swap to my normal glass. I can't see the track properly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's busy. I mean, it's Sunday, so people are enjoying the weather. The free day. It's also the skiing holidays have started. So, hey Barb, look, we're on a snow scooter. We are going to. Oh, this is such a nice and quiet machine compared to the ones that I'm used to from my childhood. Oh, they are ice fishing, aren't they? Look, those people over there, they are ice fishing. They have a drill. So they're making holes. Don't go too close, Stefan. Scare off the fish. Do you see that? That guy is holding a drill over there. Probably they are. Look, there's a small pilkki, like ice fishing shovel that they had there. Gotta swap the hand because my other hand is freezing. Oh, it was easier to hold with my left hand. Well, so if we would continue onwards, there is a big river there. Whole ice fishing towns. Oh yeah. It's just mainly a hobby and a thing to do for the tourists. Luckily Stefan mostly knows where we're going. I would be completely lost here, but I mean I know where we are, but I've got no clue where the tracks go. But you see those orange poles? Oh, you have to come here as a tourist. This is a great place for it. Well, I think that mostly like what is it in English again? Is it like a lake? Not bass. It's like this those as well, trouts as well, but. Yeah, I don't know how that would work, those now it's bumping. Oh look, now we're coming off from the lake. Coming into the... Yeah, is that a fish that you might know? Catfish we don't have here. Have huts with... Yeah. Of course, driving on rivers is more dangerous than on lakes because rivers where the no mackerel we don't have either. On rivers the water runs or streams, so it's more dangerous. The ice is thinner as well. yeah. This is the Saudi Arabian snow deserts, as you've seen on television. Do you see the trees, how they look here? This is a sort of a bog and very wet area. Yeah, it is, isn't it? As so the trees are quite... This is not Antarctica, we are in the Arctic, but hello, I can't wave hello to you because I'm here in the... Stefan is used to this actually, and the funny thing is that, I mean, he's not from Lapland, so this is not his tradition. Well, we're still pretty far from the North Pole as well, but we are in the Arctic area, so we are above the Arctic Circle. Oh, way to India! But you'll see where we end up once we are... Arctic Finland, yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, called Finnish Lapland. Lapland is in Finland, Sweden and Norway and Russia, so we are in the Finnish part of Lapland. And often when people talk about Lapland, they mean Finnish Lapland. Good morning. Hey, in Italy, okay, that's a bit different. Yeah, I want to see the... I didn't see all the comments just a moment ago, so I will check once we have stopped, because I can see that we are almost where we are going. You see that? Stop, it says there. Look, it says stop. No, it says stop.
Yeah.
Because there is a road. You see, this is just a normal car road. And there you see the skiers. You've been here before with us. Where we're now going. But we've never come here with a snow scooter. You see, there's another warning sign. Careful with the skiers, it says. Here. Well, I don't know, Stefan was just saying that this does go quite fast, but we're not going to try driving top speed. I would be screaming at the back here. And Stefan doesn't dare to take that risk of making his wife angry by driving too fast. I don't have need for speed, so to say.
Show that old barn there.
Oh, that's a beautiful tree as well, by the way.
Yeah, as well, but I was looking at the barn.
Yeah.
The ice was there.
Yeah. You see those big ice buildings there? Look. There's other people here with snow scooters. You see the snow scooter parking lot. Do you see that? Look. You don't see this in many places, I suppose. Hey, here we are. Haha. Very good. Oh, nice and quiet. And all of a sudden it's so quiet that I don't know what to say. Now I'll quickly check what the messages earlier were. Most northern police station. That would be in Norway, I think. Yeah. Overdue in Alabama. Oh, cool.
I mean, there are police stations up here. It's not so
oh yeah, absolutely. Let's see. You have to get off first, and then yeah, there's plenty of snow here. We definitely don't have a lack of snow. Oh, well, it's been for that. I mean, it's actually been a really beautiful winter. It's not that cold yet. It's been not cold enough basically this year, but. Oh, you have a normal hat. I didn't take like a normal hat with me. Oh, very good. Yeah. My thoughtful husband. Oh, yeah, just pull it up. It's okay. Okay. Let's see. Wait. Here we go again. What comes out from here? Oh, well. Thank you, dear. Very friendly of you. Wait. Hey, Crystal. We are going. Wait, I'll turn the camera again. We are going in there and let's check. Hey, John. Hello, hello. Look.
Oh,
Hey,
wait.
to Switzerland. Huh? Oh, the keys. You don't want to forget
Oh,
them.
That's
Well, no, yeah,
here, it's not a problem.
people don't want. You don't need to worry about it as such. Nobody's going to take your snow scooter here, but nice that it's nice to see me. It would be terrible if you found it terrible. Let's see. What kind of machines are these, Stefan? Steph?
Yeah.
What kind of machines are these then?
These are very sporty deep snow machines. You know, these
Sporty deep snow machines.
Yeah,
I mean, there's very different kinds, of course, for different purposes.
Summits, but these are really to go uphill in deep snow.
Uphill in deep snow, okay.
And that's why there's a long track behind the seats. All the weight is
Yeah.
on the front, on the skis.
Yeah.
And then
So it's
actually-
completely different one than that, the one that we've been driving.
That's a wide.
Hey, Chris.
These are narrow, long tracks, and that's a.
Yeah, snowmobile. There's many different names for that, from what I've understood. Look, again another different kind. And you saw the one on our yard. That's then again for a different. Oh, those are nice old.
Nice old ones.
Yeah. I mean, you kind of have to be when you live here. Hey. Hello, welcome to Lapland. Let's see. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Oh, I'm not sure if you were talking to me actually, but I'll say happy Sunday anyways. How many months per year? Well, I mean, we have snow for a long time. Oh, I've seen that one from the inside, you see? It's nice. So this is actually an ice castle. I'm not 100% sure if we're going to really scope this today. We might still do this in another day. Hey! Hello, Jane. Lutheran churches, yes. Oh, Washington. Welcome to Lapland. We'll see, but you see that people have come here skiing. You see? Another drink of vodka, if it's Hey! Nice to have you here, Jane. But you've been here with us before. Monday in Australia. Oh, of course, right. Your day has already changed. For us, it's still a nice Sunday. Spring, well, depends how do you define it. So the really sunny period is started in a few weeks, and that's what we consider spring, and that's really lovely.
Very busy inside.
Yeah.
Oh, there's that.
Terve. Saammeko käydä tuolla vähän katsomassa? Leah went behind the door, so I'm not going to scope her, but she said that it's okay if we go and take a look in there. This ended up being a snow hotel scope. I wasn't actually going to do this now. I thought that we will come here at a different point, because we'll probably still come here for a second time with the kids, because they always love this. But
Just show only the front here. There's a teaser for next time.
yeah, and I think, because what we're going to do, I think that we're going to do this now on our own app. I'm very sorry, but I think that we're going to now.
Well, I know what this looks like.
What does it look like? Oh, well, could be something else as well. This is beautiful, isn't it? This is beautiful, isn't it? Look, this is the ice bar. Well, I mean, it has to be a little bit, otherwise this would start melting. Luvattuma is the name of the place, you see here. Oh, thank you, smartphone. I'm happy that you like it. Yes, I am going to do that, Jane. I am going to do that, Jane. I know that it's a little bit evil of me. So I'm now only giving you like a taster. Hey, Linda. So we are going to step in there, but I'm going to swap to our own app. So if you want to now join, that's exactly Trey. How did you know that? That means promised land. How did you know that? Are you? Yes, there's all kinds of stuff. Oh, that's actually from the Ice Age, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think this. No, no, is this? This I think this is.
This is on Twitch as well, sir. Yes, so you will see. Oh, I'm happy that you say that, John. I would really like to hear. Yes, I can be live on the app. It comes via Twitch, and that's what I'm going to do now. Hey, Wagamamamamama. Hey to Japan. Oh, wonderful. So hey, people who don't know yet, you can find our app either on Google Store, the Play Store, or if you go on our Twitter page of HaliPuu, then you can find our newsletter, and in it you also find how you can download it on iPhone as well. Nice to have you here, Dave. But we are now going to. I'm going to swap to Twitch now, because that's the in our app it comes through Twitch. So if you want to see what's behind there, you're now going to have to. I'm very sorry. It's evil from me, but you're going to have to swap to our app or Twitch, that is. But hey, oh yeah, I don't know how to do that. I will have to think about how to do that as well. But I do want to then. That, John, I find that quite incredible. I am so happy that you do that. see you on the other side. Come and join me on the app in a second. It takes me like 5 minutes to set it up, but in a second I will. Well, in 5 minutes we will be there, and then we'll look what's elsewhere here in the building. Okay, see you in a moment.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you in a moment.